Do you know that ELSS can save tax and also help you get to your long-term financial goals faster? Hi friends, right tax planning builds your personal finances, helping you afford the things you want. Do you think that you should look at investments which give you the twin benefits of returns and tax saving? Well, if you do want to save on your taxes, you must watch this video. After all, the more your money works for you, the less you have to work for money. Well, if you want an investment that can offer higher returns and also save you taxes, you must watch this video. Hello and welcome. I am Simran from Clear, India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we serve 400,000 plus growing businesses and 2,000 plus large enterprises. We have assisted 80,000 plus tax experts and 6 million plus tax filers so far. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. Yes, you heard me right. We have curated 4 of our best calculators that will help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum you need to invest to reach those goals. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description box below. So let's get started. But wait, what is ELSS? Equity Linked Savings Scheme or ELSS is a tax-saving mutual fund that invests your money predominantly in stocks. ELSS has a mandatory 3-year lock-in period, which means you can redeem your investment only after this time. Your investment in the ELSS qualifies for a tax deduction of up to Rs 1.5 lakh per financial year under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act of 1961. You get this tax benefit only if you opt for the old income tax regime. ELSS invests bulk of its assets in stocks across market capitalization chosen from different industries and sectors. The fund manager manages the investment and the research team picks the appropriate stock that match the investment objectives of the fund. ELSS has a mandatory 3-year lock-in period. Short-term capital gains are not applicable on ELSS as you cannot redeem the investment before 3 years. Long-term capital gains up to Rs 1 lakh per year are tax-free. Gains above Rs 1 lakh are taxed at 10% with applicable surcharge and cess. ELSS has the potential to offer inflation-beating returns over time as it invests mainly in stocks. However, you may invest in ELSS only if you're comfortable investing in stocks and you have a higher risk tolerance. First, shorter lock-in period. ELSS has a lock-in period of only 3 years as compared to other tax-saving investments under Section 80C. Second, higher post-tax returns. The long-term capital gains from ELSS on redemption after 3 years are tax-free up to Rs 1 lakh per year. And third, low initial investment. You can start investing in ELSS with an amount as low as Rs 500 per month through the Systematic Investment Plan or the SIP. SIP is a method of investing small amounts regularly in a mutual fund, including ELSS. It helps you stagger your investment across all levels of the stock market and average out the purchase price of ELSS units over time called rupee cost averaging. ELSS offers investors the opportunity to benefit from the power of compounding. If you purchase units of the ELSS and stay invested for the long run, you benefit from the power of compounding. You earn a return on the principal amount as well as the returns you make over time.
Here's a table that shows the comparison of ELSS with other popular Section 80C investments like Public Provident Fund, National Savings Certificate, 5-year tax saving fixed deposit on the basis of Section 80C benefit, type of investment, lock-in period, returns, and risk rating.
ELSS is a tax-efficient investment for those in the higher income tax brackets. Taxpayers can claim up to Rs 1.5 lakh per year under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act of 1961 and save up to Rs 46,800 in taxes. You can invest in ELSS or any other tax-saving instrument under Section 80C to qualify for this tax deduction. However, ELSS is one of those few investments under Section 80C that invest predominantly in stocks, and you may consider it if you have a higher risk tolerance and fall in the higher income tax bracket. The table here shows the taxes you save if you invest in ELSS and fall in the higher income tax brackets. I hope by now you have understood what ELSS is and why you must consider an investment if you fall in the higher income tax brackets. Don't you think you should learn more on how to pick the right ELSS to attain your financial goals? Well, if yes, then please type yes in the comment section below. ELSS is a suitable investment if you are a salaried employee who falls in the higher income tax brackets. You could invest regularly in ELSS through the SIP with as low as Rs 500 per installment. Moreover, ELSS is a good investment for first-timers in the stock market. First, ELSS invests mainly in stocks and its returns depend on the performance of the stock market. If you do not have the ability and willingness to take risk in investments, avoid ELSS. Second, ELSS has a lock-in period of only 3 years. However, the stock markets may not perform well in this period and you will have to hold on to investment for a longer time till the market recovers. Third, ELSS is not a suitable investment if you have a short-term investment horizon to achieve a fixed financial goal. You are better off investing in the NSE or tax saver FD if you want to save taxes and achieve a short-term financial goal. ELSS is suitable only if you have a higher risk tolerance and a flexible long-term investment horizon. It is an appropriate investment if you are starting your career and have a long time to invest for financial goals such as buying a house, retirement planning or marriage expenses for your children. The stock markets have hit all-time highs, with the Sensex crossing the 60,000 mark for the first time. You may have this question if you should invest in ELSS at these stock market levels. Well, here's how to invest in ELSS if the stock markets are at all-time highs. Start investing in ELSS through the Systematic Investment Plan or SIP, where you average out the purchase price of ELSS units over time called rupee cost averaging. Any time is the right time to invest in ELSS through the SIP. It doesn't matter when you start your SIP in ELSS if you have a longer investment horizon. If the stock markets have fallen at the end of the 3-year lock-in period, you simply wait until it rises again. If you invest in ELSS through SIP, you don't have to time the market. You spend time in the market. When you invest in ELSS through SIP, do remember that each SIP installment has the lock-in period of 3 years from the date of investment. You must pick the right ELSS if you want to learn inflation-beating returns over time. Otherwise, you cannot attain your financial goals even if you stay invested for the long term. First, check the portfolio of the ELSS for allocation towards large-cap stocks and mid-cap stocks. Some ELSS have a higher allocation towards mid-cap stocks, which makes them riskier as compared to those with greater exposure towards large-cap stocks. Second, select ELSS from AMCs with a good track record and also check the experience of the fund manager of the scheme. Third, avoid investing in more than 2 ELSS funds as it gets difficult to track and manage your portfolio. Fourth, pick ELSS which have performed consistently well against the benchmark and peers. Fifth, you must opt for an ELSS with a lower expense ratio, which is the cost of managing the fund. It increases your take-home returns over time. Well, ELSS is an excellent option for first-timers in stocks as it helps you save tax and build wealth over time. It is an equity diversified fund that spreads your investment across sectors and industries, thereby reducing risk in your portfolio. Receive some valuable information through this video? Then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who may find it useful. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to claim your free gift. We have curated 4 of our best calculators to help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum you need to invest to reach those goals. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description box below. Till then, this is Simran signing off.